Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and we are doing today we are replacing the Miele shock absorber for the Miele W1 Classic Eco Comfort. So here we are showing the spin cycle and then like a little bit of banging noise while doing on the cycle. So these need to be done before the drums get fully broken, otherwise it would be so costly for you to repair the drum. So there are different types of shock absorber in Miele washing machine. So we already have done the video for other type, and this one is for the new models. So we are going to show how to replace the shock absorber. So for the diagnostic is very simple. So if it's vibrates a lot in the spin cycle, especially when you are doing the old towels, then you guys need to replace the shock absorber. This is for all the models of the machine or all kinds of washing machine. So to do this model, we need to take the back cover out. So we can only take the back cover out for this one to do the job. So just take the screw out and lift towards you, and then take the back cover out. Now we are going to take the bottom bolt off. So to do that, it's better to have another man helping you if you are not comfortable, because this might be very dangerous if you are not doing like every time. So better to have second man with you so that they can help you while you are doing the job, so you don't need to worry the washing machine falling back while you are taking out the screws from the back. So after you did the screws from the back, now you need to do inside the machine for the shock absorber itself. We can tell friction damper or shock absorber for the washing machine. So while you buy, you might need to search friction damper. So now there are 3 friction damper inside the machine. To take out is all like the procedure is same for the all. So now you take the bolt out for all of the shock absorber. This might be little difficult to take out for this one, and then this one, because there is no space for this one as well. So now to put it back, you just need to put it to the same positions. So maybe for the second video we'll show you like a better way. So this needs to be clipped in first so that it doesn't move by itself, and then make sure you adjust the height for the damper to the drum, and then put the bolt back in. This is pretty much easy how to do it, but like little bit of demanding job. So you might better have second person with you, as I'm saying repeatedly, because this is really demanding job. It's not that easy like you have seen in the video. So but the idea is to replace the shock absorber, and then we have shown how to put it, how to take it out, and you have to do it all 3. Make sure all the screws and bolts are tight enough, otherwise that will be another issue. And then if like those one of the screws or knots has fallen, then you might need to do the job again. Maybe you might need to get the parts again, because that will damage the shock absorber immediately. So just be sure like you replace the right one, because for some kind you can see the color. So after seeing the color, you can replace for the like for like, because in the same box you will have like 2 different color, 2 for yellow and 1 for gray. Gray is for the special one, so you need to replace the special one with the special one, otherwise that might also be a trouble. So as I said, if you did once and then that did not fix the job, then there is more chance of breaking the shock absorber already. So make sure you are doing the right thing every time you are doing it. So to put it back, now you just need to get the screws at the bottom as well. Make sure these screws are also tightened enough. so that there will be no issue in future. So if you have a different model, as I said, like this, for this model the idea to replace the shock absorber is this way, and for the other one it would be different. So if you are unsure about your model, just check our other videos for the washing machine, because we have already posted other machine as of now, and we will keep posting for the different models as it comes to the market. So make sure, if you haven't choose the right one, better to watch the other video first and do the job, because it will always be a little bit of different things. So now I have already replaced the shock absorber for everything. Now I'm putting back the back cover, so which one is pretty easy. You just need to tilt towards while you are closing it. Now I put all the things, and then maybe I'll show you the tested. So okay, thank you very much for watching us, and please do subscribe and like our video, and also comment us if you want the new videos. Thank you once again.